Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow simple dental care steps maintain healthier smiles. Dental health plays a pivotal role in overall well-being. As we age, maintaining strong teeth and gums is crucial not just for eating but for social confidence and mental health. If you're concerned about your dental health, you're not alone. Understanding why oral care is vital can help you maintain your quality of life. Today, let's delve into practical strategies to keep that confident smile strong and enduring. The human mouth undergoes changes as we age. Reduced saliva production, receding gums, and a decrease in bone density can impact dental health. Think of your mouth as a bustling city. Maintaining smooth traffic flow, which represents healthy saliva, is essential. Saliva helps in breaking down food and keeping your mouth clean. Understanding these changes equips you to combat them effectively. Let's unpack these transformations so that you're better informed and in control of your oral health journey, adapting care to fit your body's evolving needs. Recognizing the signs of declining oral health is key to addressing concerns early. Look out for bleeding gums, persistent bad breath, increased tooth sensitivity, or changes in your bite. These may be subtle indicators, but they require attention. Much like a car showing a dashboard warning, these symptoms are your body's way of saying it needs a bit more care. Knowing what to watch for empowers you to seek timely help from a dentist, ensuring your smile stays healthy and pain-free. Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining dental health. Incorporate foods rich in calcium like low-fat cheese and yogurt, and vitamin D sources like eggs and fortified cereals to strengthen your teeth. Avoid frequent snacking on sugary foods that promote tooth decay. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables can naturally clean teeth, acting like toothbrushes with every bite. Timing your meals so that you aren't snacking constantly can help keep your oral environment healthy. Together, these dietary changes form a strong foundation for your dental health. Staying active benefits not just your body but your oral health too. Gentle exercises like walking or Tai Chi enhance blood flow to your gums, promoting healing and strength. Consider joining a senior exercise class or even enjoying a daily stroll around the neighborhood. Exercises tailored to your ability ensure safety while keeping you active. Starting slow and listening to your body's cues helps in maintaining an active lifestyle that supports oral and overall health. It's never too late to add a little more movement to your routine. Regular dental checkups are essential to maintaining oral health. Partner closely with your dentist for biannual cleanings and exams. They can provide tailored care advice and help catch potential issues early. Your dentist is your ally in ensuring that any dental problems are managed before they become serious. In addition to routine visits, be aware of any sudden changes and don't hesitate to seek immediate attention if something doesn't feel right. A proactive approach to dental care can prevent complications and keep your smile bright. Dental health impacts more than just physical well-being, it influences emotional and social health too. A healthy smile boosts confidence, encouraging more social interaction and enhancing relationships. Engaging in community activities or even a simple coffee catch-up can nurture both mood and mental health. If dental issues are causing embarrassment or discomfort, seeking support from trusted friends or health professionals can alleviate those feelings. Embrace opportunities to share smiles and laughter, which is as vital as physical care for a fulfilling life. To keep your smile strong as you age, incorporate regular dental checkups, a balanced diet, and gentle exercise into your routine. Start small by adjusting your meal choices or incorporating daily walks. Reach out to your dentist to form a partnership in your health journey. Remember, each step you take, no matter how small, enhances your oral and overall health. You are empowered to make changes that will preserve your quality of life and keep your smile shining. Embrace this journey with confidence and look forward to healthier days.